I recently took the plunge and tested out some trailer brake controllers to save you from wasting your hard-earned cash. I know how tricky it can be to find something that works just right. So let me share my honest experiences with these top contenders in the market.
Product number 1. Tekonsha 850-7120 Brakeman IV. When I first pulled the Tekonsha 850-7120 Brakeman IV out of the box, I felt a wave of excitement. This brake controller is designed for trailers with 1 to 4 axles, which is perfect for my needs. I installed it in my Ford and was impressed by how seamless the wiring setup was, though I did have to purchase the wiring harness separately. The time delay feature is a game changer, providing a level of control that made my towing experience feel much safer. I decided to take it on a weekend trip, loaded up my trailer with gear, and hit the road. The first time I had to brake, I was amazed at how smoothly the brakes engaged. It felt like an extension of my vehicle, reacting just as I needed without any jerks or delays. I felt confident knowing that the controller was working behind the scenes to ensure a safe stop. Pros-wise, the Tekonsha Brakeman IV offers excellent reliability and control. It's compatible with various vehicle brands, making it versatile for most users. The installation process is straightforward, and once it's set up, it works like a charm. However, the main downside is that you need to buy the wiring harness separately, which can add to the initial cost. For someone like me, who appreciates a well-thought-out design, the Brakeman IV is an easy recommendation. So why should you buy the Tekonsha 850-7120 Brakeman IV? If you're looking for a dependable brake controller that provides smooth operation and ease of installation, this is your best bet. It's especially great for anyone who regularly tows heavier loads and values safety above all.
Product number 2, Tekonsha 90160 Primus IQ. I was eager to try the Tekonsha 90160 Primus IQ after hearing about its capabilities. This proportional brake controller is marketed for trailers with 1 to 3 axles, and I found it to be a perfect fit for my smaller trailer. The first notable feature was its ease of use. The digital display is bright and clear, making it easy to adjust settings as needed while driving. I took it for a spin on a day trip, and I was immediately impressed. The proportional braking system adjusts the trailer brakes based on how hard I was pressing on the gas pedal. It felt so natural, making the driving experience far less stressful. In terms of pros, I loved the simplicity in the integrated design. The Primus IQ is compact and doesn't take up much space, which is a significant plus in my truck. On the downside, it also requires a wiring harness that isn't included, which is a bit of a hassle. If you're in the market for a brake controller that provides reliable proportional braking and is easy to set up, I would strongly recommend considering the Tekonsha 90160 Primus IQ. It offers a great balance of features and performance, ensuring your towing experience is as smooth as possible.
Product number 3, Reese towpower 8507111 Brakeman IV. I decided to give the Reese towpower 8507111 Brakeman IV a try, especially given its competitive price point. This time delay brake controller is designed similarly to the Tekonsha model and is compatible with a wide range of vehicle brands. I installed it in my Chevy, and right off the bat, I appreciated how user-friendly the interface was. The dial for adjusting the brake timing was intuitive, making it easy to tweak while on the road. During my first test drive, loaded with a moderate amount of weight, I found that the braking system engaged smoothly, providing a reassuring sense of control. I took it on a longer trip to test its reliability, and it didn't disappoint. The braking felt consistent, and I could sense the gradual engagement without any sudden jolts. On the pro side, the price is a significant factor. It's much more affordable than some competitors without sacrificing performance. The downside, however, is that it's not as feature-rich as some higher-end models. It lacks the proportional braking feature, which is something I missed during my testing. Overall, if you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly option, the Reese towpower 8507111 Brakeman IV is a great choice for occasional users. Product number 4, curt 51180 Echo Mobile. When I stumbled upon the Curt 51180 Echo Mobile Electric Trailer Brake Controller, I was intrigued by its innovative Bluetooth capability. Being someone who loves tech, I was excited to see how it would perform. Installation was straightforward, and after downloading the app, I was ready to roll. The first thing I noticed was how the app allowed for real-time adjustments. I could monitor my trailer brakes directly from my phone, which felt like something out of a sci-fi movie. On my first drive, I was amazed at how responsive it was. The proportional braking worked flawlessly, adapting to my driving style. However, I did experience some connectivity issues with the app during my longer trips, which was somewhat frustrating. On the pros side, the Curt Echo's tech-savvy features and ease of use are standout qualities. The ability to control the brake settings from your phone is a game changer. However, there is a significant downside: the price point. At around $273, it's one of the more expensive options on the market. If you're a tech enthusiast who wants the latest features and is willing to invest in a high-quality product, the Curt 51180 Echo Mobile is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who want advanced control at their fingertips. Product number 5. redarc Tow Pro Liberty. The redarc Tow Pro Liberty caught my eye due to its sleek design and universal compatibility. I was particularly interested in its proportional braking feature, so I decided to test it out on my SUV. The installation was surprisingly easy, and I appreciated the minimalistic design that didn't clutter my dashboard. On my first trip with the redarc, I was pulling a heavier load than usual. I was initially apprehensive, but the controller performed exceptionally well. The proportional braking system made stopping feel controlled and safe without any harsh, jerky movements. The main pros include its universal fit, sleek design, and reliable performance. On the downside, it's priced at around $149, which could be a bit steep for those on a tight budget. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and effective trailer brake controller, the redarc Tow Pro Liberty is worth considering. It offers excellent performance, especially for those who regularly tow heavier loads and need peace of mind on the road. Each of these trailer brake controllers has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer reliable performance. Whether you're a casual user or a serious tower, there's a product here that fits your needs. Make sure to consider what features are most important to you before making a purchase. Safe travels!